Hi, John Kibler here from Trade and Train. Just wanted to post this little bite-sized video of our seminar last week and explain a little bit about what the Lifestyle Trader Club is. And as you can see, we've got our Trade and Train logo, Lifestyle Trader Club, and a chart that you may or may not be familiar with seeing a chart before. Now, what is the Lifestyle Trader Club, and who are we and what we do? Ultimately, we are traders. We trade Forex markets as well as cryptocurrency markets. We also trade other different asset classes as well. So essentially, it's market speculation, and what I've done here is just shown you the similarities between Forex and cryptocurrency markets. So as in Forex and cryptocurrencies, fundamentals are involved, technical analysis is involved. In Forex, we use leverage as well as we do in crypto. We have brokerages in Forex, they're called exchanges in cryptocurrencies, and we still have to apply a certain amount of risk management in both of those as well. So, what are the advantages to actually trading the currency markets or the cryptocurrency markets? And there is a very low cost of entry, and what we mean by that is it only takes a laptop or a computer and access to the internet. Now, also you could be using a phone. We suggest using a laptop and a computer because we use a lot of technical analysis, and to trade off your phone can be very difficult. So as well, we can make money in any market condition, and what we mean by that is whether the market is moving up or down, whether we are currently in a recession or whatnot, we can make money either way. Also, this is a skill for life, and what we teach here through our webinars and one-to-one coaching is the ability to have a skill for life. So you can't, it's like riding a bike almost. You don't forget how to ride that bike once you've rode it. And this is very much the same in trading. Once you know how to apply your analysis and your trading ideas and formulating them into an execution of a trade, that is a skill for life, and it can be adapted into many different market assets. Okay. Unlimited financial gains, obviously that is one of the biggest advantages to trading. You can you don't have to put a limit on what you can gain in the financial markets as well. So no given work hours, that's a pretty standard as well, because these markets are 24-hour 24/7, so to speak, and there are no given work hours. So you can choose when you work anywhere in the world, and what I mean by that is anywhere that has an internet connection, a decent internet connection, that is, you can access the internet to be able to take a trade. Now, the three common emotions of trading: fear, greed, and uncertainty. If you don't know what you're doing, it can be very scary when executing a trade, because you're putting real money on the line here. This is your hard-earned money, and you can be quite fearful about losing that money. Greed as well. Greed is a very common trait in trading. People hold on to trades longer than they should, or don't take any profit off the table, or they risk too much because they want to make that 10 million pound trade overnight. Uncertainty. Now, uncertainty comes with a lack of knowledge, and this is what we hope to do here at the Lifestyle Traders Club, is teach you how to overcome that uncertainty by gaining our knowledge. So again, overcoming those emotions. It takes time, it takes knowledge, implementation, a plan, and it takes experience. So we will tell you that it does take time to become a trader, okay? But you can break that up. So, it can take an hour out of your evening every night. If you have an hour spare, we run webinars, 4 days a week, and an hour of time is all you really need to pick up a new skill. Knowledge. Now, knowledge comes with me and Mark doing these webinars, coaching one-to-ones and whatnot. We have the knowledge that we are passing on down to you guys. Implementation. This is something that's really big in the Lifestyle Trader Club, is we ask you to implement over and over and over again, because if you are repeating a process consistently, it will stick in your mind, okay? Plan. This is what we talk about constantly as well. we help you create plans around trading ideas, and plans for your own formulation of strategies, to be able to overcome those emotions. Experience. Now, this is experience you're going to be gaining from me, Mark, and all our other members as well. We have a nice Facebook group, and you can all chat to each other in there. But ultimately, you're using the experience of me and the founder of Trade and Train, Mark Owen, to your benefit. Now, what would the lifestyle trader do for you? Again, we're going to help you gain that knowledge. We're going to help you gain knowledge through taking action and implementing on a consistent basis. We show you how to plan the trade and follow the rules to take an opportunity. So you will be seeing us on a regular basis go through the process of taking a trade, planning the trades, how are we going to get in, is there an opportunity, more important, why are we putting our money in this particular market? And we implement in front of you with real live trades. They are live trades, live accounts, real money. This is our money we're putting on the line as well, and we will show you those trades. Okay. Now, the benefits of the Lifestyle Traders Club. We asked our members what our benefits were, and they answered with it was affordable. It was low cost, cheaper than a cup of coffee a day. And we've heard that saying over and over again, but this is what we really wanted to do. We wanted to make something that's very affordable for our members. Live trading. So there's live webinars 4 days a week with over 7.5 worth of content each week, seeing real trades. That is very key for us. We want you to be able to see real trades. Recorded webinars. Now, this is important because if you don't have the time to attend the live webinars, we do record them and upload them so that you can watch at your convenience. Okay. Trading channels. So we have a Telegram group, and when we've discussed the trades in the webinars, we post the trades into our members group, and you get the entry, stops, targets. We also talk a little bit about our management of that trade and give you regular updates. One thing that we do as well is an affiliate program. Now, this isn't an affiliate program that is, managed, tiered, or anything like that. It's not a any other kind of affiliate marketing programs or anything like that. We asked our traders if we could give anything back, what would it be? And they said, at the end of the day, capital. Capital is king in this game. So they asked us what we could be able to give back, and that is capital. So we've designed our own affiliate program to give back to our current members, and that is if they are just chatting with their friends, and their friends or family are interested in what they do, and they introduce them through their own link, they will get a kickback of their subscription continually, as long as that member stays within the group. And basically, so you could end up basically being in the Lifestyle Traders Club for free, or even getting paid to be in the Lifestyle Traders Club. So this is very unique in trading, especially with something like us. Okay, so what do our members say about us? Now, I've put this page here because it's all well and good me telling you how good our service is and things like that, but these are real people, and we wanted to show you exactly how people are doing. So for instance, Mantas on the left hand side, you can see the Facebook group there. He said, hi guys and girls, just want to thank you for your Facebook messages with trade ideas, which are paying for my holidays while I'm still enjoying it away from the charts. Made some nice profits based on your posts, greatly appreciated. He actually sent a selfie there with his little baby there, which was pretty cute. So Nolan as well. Nolan, great trader, who's been with us for a while. This month has been a great month for me. I was over 1,000 pips up today with open trades and add-in trades. Trades were scaled into winning positions. I've banked over half of that today. Thanks to Mark and Jono for their continued support. I am a much better trader after joining the Lifestyle Traders Club. Okay. Again, Graham, another Facebook post, which is brilliant. Well, for a newbie, I think I've got past the point of being overwhelmed with all the new information. Each day I'm studying a key area of trading. Sometimes it just clicks, and other times I have to go back over the section. This week I've learned a lot. What I've learned, I've put into practice. Still make silly mistakes, which is natural in trading, but I'm learning from them. Tuesday I closed out at £329.48 today. Friday the 20th, I took 10 trades, 9 wins, 1 loss, closing out at £535.57, which has given me a total of £865.05 for the week. For me, this has been a huge learning week. Study, understand, implementation, action, repeat. Enjoy the weekend, everyone. The sun is out. And that was very recently. And, you know, Graham has said it there. You said it right there, what we always discuss. Study, understand, implement, action, and repeat. That is what we're very big on here at the Lifestyle Traders Club. So, guys, thank you for listening to this presentation. Hopefully, we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.